Seniors, do you ever wonder how to keep your muscles strong and energized as you age? It's a common concern, especially for those over 50. The reality is, muscle mass can decrease by up to 1% annually after the age of 50, impacting your strength and independence. But there's a solution that can make a significant difference: a simple, protein-rich snack before bed. This one change could protect your precious muscle mass. As you rest, your body requires protein to repair and build muscles, which is why having something nutritious before sleep can work wonders. Consider incorporating items like a cup of Greek yogurt, a boiled egg, or a scoop of casein protein mixed in water or almond milk into your night routine. These foods are not just tasty, but are rich in slow-digesting proteins that nourish your muscles continuously while you're asleep. To enhance the effects of this bedtime snack, add just 5 minutes of light stretching or resistance band exercises into your evening ritual. This combination of nutrition and light exercise is a powerful duo that keeps your muscles engaged and healthy, even while you dream. Don't allow aging to rob your strength. Embracing this easy nighttime practice can be the key to maintaining muscle health for life. Picture waking up feeling strong and revitalized, ready to take on the day ahead. It's in your hands, and it begins with a conscious choice every evening. Remember, your journey to fitness can be enjoyable and rewarding, filled with simple steps that make a lasting impact. Like this tip? Show your support by hitting that like button and subscribe to Quick Fit USA for more insights tailored just for you. Take charge of your health and well-being. With consistent effort and mindful choices, you can remain strong, active, and independent, living life on your own terms. Start this bedtime routine tonight and watch how it transforms your muscle health into the vibrant strength you want and deserve.